Hi, everybody. I'm Lindsey Bartley with the Lindsey Bartley team at Reid Realty, and I'm here to give you a quick update on what happened in our local real estate market here in February. So, as a lot of you have heard, our real estate market here in Lubbock is really short. We're in an extreme seller's market, just like what you hear on TV in the rest of the country. So, in February, we only had 429 homes on the market, but 475 went under contract. So, yes, things are really tight, but the good news is we're still selling lots of homes. So, for the Lindsey Bartley team, we still had a record month. So we are still finding people homes. We're just having to be more creative on the offers. We still know ways to win. Our buyers are just having to be more patient and things are just different. So we have 1.1 months of inventory on the market. And yes, things are selling with multiple offers very quickly. And the game has definitely changed. And that is probably here to stay for some time. So we do hear all of the time, lots of our clients are saying, we're just going to wait until prices come down. And so, unfortunately, what we're hearing is that prices are probably going to be high for quite some time. And this is because well, we all hear for one, there is this thing called inflation that is happening. That's one thing, but inventory is short, and this is all across the country, and there's lots of reasons for this. And we just don't see any quick way out. And so there is just not enough new construction happening for the amount of demand that we have. And so we have lots of new people here in Lubbock from out of state moving into Texas. We're seeing lots of people every day. I'm talking to lots of people from California, Colorado, um, all over, Washington, lots of northern states. It seems to be a lot of the more liberal states seem to be moving to Texas right now, and it's happening at rapid pace. So that's definitely one thing. Um, and then we have a lot more investors. We have a lot more first time home buyers coming into the market. There's just a lot of things, and just not enough new construction coming to help offset this. And then new construction is slowed down a little bit with the inventory or with all of the problems that we're having, with new construction being slowed down, which I'm sure you've heard about, all of the problems affecting new construction. So it's just been kind of this perfect storm of things, and it just happened all at once, all across the country. And so, we've heard things from 3 to 5 years to even 10 years that we could be looking at this short inventory. So, the high prices are probably here to stay. But what we do know right now is that interest rates are still low. And so affordability for what we know now is still okay. And things are probably going to get less affordable as time goes on. So right now, you probably are sitting on a lot more equity than what you're aware of. So when we've been meeting with sellers, we've been, running net sheets for them, um, telling them what their home is worth in this market, and it blows their mind. And when we look at what they owe and what it can sell for there, I mean, it's amazing. And so, and even if they've been living in their home and it had a higher interest rate, and then they can buy a new home at a lower interest rate, sometimes those numbers really offset nicely, and they're in a lot better position than what they think when they just start running those numbers on their own. So, if you're thinking about potentially making a move in the next few years, give us a call. We'd love to come out and see your home and run some numbers for you and just see if this could be a good time for you to make a move. I think you could be surprised. with a quick meeting with us. And of course, there's never any obligation. So things may not be quite as bad as what they seem on the news. So we're always here to help. We love to consult with all of our clients. So give the Lindsey Bartley team a call and see if we can help you. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Bye, guys.